Germany, the birthplace of world-changing engineering. The letterpress, the automobile, the quantum theory, the first programmable computer, the industrial robot, even the theory of relativity. Now we take the next step into the era of artificial intelligence, the industrial AI cloud, built in Germany for Europe. Deutsche Telekom and NVIDIA are laying the foundation for a sustainable AI revolution. Let's push Germany's industry to the next level and secure AI sovereignty. We strengthen our position with the industrial AI cloud. 10,000 GPUs, building a speedboat to AI gigafactories. A quantum leap in capacity, increasing Germany's AI power by 50%. Unbeatable connectivity, built under the highest security standards. Sovereign by design, operated within our own T-Cloud ecosystem, and powered by 100% renewable energy. Together with NVIDIA, we're laying the foundation. The industrial AI cloud, shaping the future of Europe. And this is just the beginning.